Hey, happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. DeVita's art room. Tonight, we are going to draw an adorable jellyfish, and we are going to go ahead and get started. Get your pencil or your Sharpie or your color pencils or whatever you might need. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to leave my little jelly friend right here. All right, and this is a relatively simple drawing, so it's good for littles, good for the parents, whoever wants to draw with us. All right, let's go ahead and get started. My little jelly friend. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up kind of towards the top here, and we're going to come in, and we're going to start just kind of an oval shape like this. A little flatter on the bottom though this time. All right, see what I just did? All right, almost like a hamburger bun, sort of, all right? Almost like a hamburger bun, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little bit of a wiggly line, almost like a roller coaster on the bottom of our little button here. All right, got it? Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down and we're gonna do a second one underneath. That kind of echoes, kind of follows what we just did. You see that? All right. And what we're gonna do, come up on our little jellyfish on the top of it, and we're gonna draw some little lines that segment it. So we got these little segment lines. At the bottom, this is where the opening, the tentacles actually are on the inside of the body of the jellyfish, which is this part right here, and these are our tentacles. So we have the opening, almost looks a little bit like a clamshell right now, if you guys can see that. All right, now the reason we're drawing with the pencil is we are going to be doing some erasing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come down. We're just going to draw some wiggly lines that go down and then come back up. Go down and then come back up. If you guys can see that. That up a little closer. And you might want to do some overlapping because those tentacles just kind of move around and flow with the water. They're fairly long. Do some little bit shorter ones on the edges here. Make them kind of go off the page if I would like to. So we're doing our little tentacles. You guys can see that? All right. And what we're gonna do, if you notice like up top here, where we've got where we kind of overlapped, we are gonna come in and we're gonna erase this little back part so it actually looks like our tentacle is overlapping right here, so that they actually look like they are up into this part of the jellyfish. If you notice right here how mine are overlapping, and this is the inside. Okay. So now we have our jellyfish. Now, what you may do is if you want to make it into more of a cute cartoony jellyfish, you may add eyes or whatnot. Or if you'd rather leave it plain and a little bit more realistic, that is fine as well. I'm going to do our cute cartoony jellyfish by coming in, kind of making sure my eyes are kind of spaced out evenly here. Do 2 little circles. And a little circle on there for the shiny part. And maybe a little smile. Okay, I can even do something cute like some little cheeks or something, eyelashes, eyebrows. Okay. Maybe this is the other jellyfish's friend. Yeah. What do you think? And when I'm finished, I can come in. You can draw some bubbles. You could draw some seaweed. And draw some waves back in there. All right, So there we have it, friends. We have ourselves an adorable cartoon jellyfish. I'm just going to go around it here so you guys can see it a little bit better. Take your time. You can slow down. You can stop the video if you need to. And again, maybe I want to come back into here. Get our little current going here. And I've got my little happy face because he is so happy you joined us for Miss Davita's art room tonight. And once you are finished, you may paint it, you may color it, you may just leave it black and white if you would like to. It is entirely up to you. So there you have it, folks. You have our adorable jellyfish. Thank you for joining us. Have a good night.